Hello and welcome to Southwest France. Here is a little video we recorded about 2 or 3 months ago, and once you've seen it you will realise why I didn't release it, there is a new conclusion on the end of it, so enjoy the video. Hello! Today we have taken possession of a honey spinner. Before spring really kicks in, we are clearing the supers. I think we probably should have done it last year, clear the supers of the honey that the bees have stored over winter. It seemed logical to do it now because if they needed the honey for the winter, to survive the winter, there was some there for them. However, I don't know, I think we probably should have done it in the autumn time. But we're doing it now, so Dan is just getting the smoker set up. Where's it gone? There it is, over there. The extractor we have got assembled, just washing it out, and then we're going to go over to the bees and we'll show you that in a second. We've lost all the bees. So we have a problem. Our swarm has gone. Okay. So we've just come back from our swarm, our beehive, and it seems that we've lost the swarm over the winter. There were a few bees left, probably no more than about a couple of hundred. There was quite a bit of honey left in there, but it seems that the queen has either died or disappeared. So we have to think about what we're going to do going forward, whether we get another swarm, whether we go locally for a swarm. I think it's time for some internet research. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe. So that was about 3 months ago, right at the beginning of springtime, and this is what happened over this weekend just gone. It has been about 2.5 to 3 months since we had the devastating news we'd lost our beehive over winter. But today's the day. We have driven down to Tarbes this morning, and we have picked up a new swarm, and we're going to let them free. So we'll take you over there now. So this is where the new hives are going to be situated. It's only a stone's throw, just those trees there was where we had them before. And anybody that's been watching these videos for a while will remember that when we first got the chickens, this is where they lived, but we've cleared this area, and we're moving the hive from the cherry copse to the edge here. And eagle-eyed viewers amongst you will see that there is 2 hives now. My very talented, clever husband has spent some of the winter building a new hive. So we've set it with a lure, which is a drawn wax frame. So we used one of the ones that we had from last year, and a few drops of lemon balm essential oil. And we are told by beekeepers that this possibly will lure another swarm. So we've got the swarm, which is sitting just behind me in that little box on the floor, which is going in one of them. And fingers crossed, we'll have another. So this tray that's in front of us and the jug is a sugar syrup, and it's 50% sugar and 50% water, and we've added some honey scrapings from the bottom of some of the jars that we've had. So that's to start them off. Although we're in the height of summer now, it's really hot here. Lots of flowers, lots of hedgerow flowers in bloom. So we shouldn't really need it, but we thought we'd give them a good start. So this is where we are at the moment, and we'll open the bees in a second.
Look at them on there, there's loads.
There's a lot of honey in there already.
Cat brood as well.
There we go. Oops. Oh Christ, sorry.
Don't drop the frames, it makes them angry.
Oh no.
Is she there? Can't see.
There's normally a massive...
Oh, there she is.
Where? Oh yeah, she's got a little... Look, the queen, I don't know if you can see this, but the queen has got a little yellow spot on her back. So I want to sort of that. Put them in.
Hello, Your Majesty. Oh, look at the brood in that. There's loads.
Wow.
Babies sitting.
This is
There'll
good.
be a baby boom in this hive.
Good and healthy. Oh, look at that. Just look at that. I mean, you can see that. It's fantastic. That's really looking healthy. Right, that's good. So now we put the... Oh yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna, let me turn you off. And we're off again. Right, so we're now going to put some, can I ask you to step about 2 metres forward? Is that all right? Jude is a gorgeous camera woman today. So we're now going to put some sugar syrup into the feeding tray. Do we put it on top first?
Yes.
Which way round? Does it matter?
No.
And it goes in here?
Yes. You put the lid on quickly before they get stuck in it. They eat from the other side.
And that goes on next?
That wooden bit first. And you leave the box there so they can find
So
it.
now we're just going to, so we put the sugar syrup in, we've put the lid back on, and we're just going to leave them because they're a bit agitated because they've had a very long journey. And they're just orientating themselves at the moment. And there's probably about 100 flying around outside at the moment. And we'll just leave them now for probably 2 days, won't even touch them. We've given them some food to start off with. They'll get to know the area. They'll find our lavender field, which is about 100 metres down there. And they'll find there's various flowers in the hedgerows that they'll find. And fingers crossed, they'll be really happy. So we now have bees, which is great because we had some really good feedback last year. We gave all of our guests that stay. So if you come and stay with us, we'll give you a pot of honey, and then if you want to take some home, you can take some home as well. But as I say, it was quite devastating over the winter to realise that we'd lost our swarm. But now we're back again. So our bees are ready to produce.
For some reason
Thanks very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, maybe consider subscribing down below, and you can follow our adventures here.